Hey guys, so you guys are probably wondering why the opener's unplugged. I told you guys the spring's gonna break soon. Guess what happened? Spring broke. I was at my friend's house watching a movie and my mom called me saying the garage door was closing and they heard a big, huge bang noise. I rushed over here and the spring broke, so we only have two options. My mom and dad might have to get a new spring for about $130. Or after the holidays, more likely Christmas, we might be replacing the doors, openers, and everything. So this door is not gonna be working. The only door that's working is this one, and I know for a fact this door is probably next to break. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and thank you for watching.